Social Work Hub by ResourceStream is a social work-led business focused on creating value through innovative solutions to resourcing and practice challenges. The problem. There were 13.4% children's social worker FTE vacancies as of 31st of March 2019. Vacancies are projected to increase by 8% during 2021 to 2022. 4.3% of children's social worker vacancies were covered by agency workers in 2018 to 2019. It's time to raise your profile as an employer and open your front door with a bespoke microsite. Discover our social work news network. Our online platform and print magazines are written by social workers for social workers, with a monthly viewing of over 120,000 visitors and 35,000 social media followers. In September 2021, we reached over 4.5 million people across the globe. Our community is fast becoming one of the biggest social work platforms in the world, and we're just getting started. Our solution. Social Work Hub is a game changer in social work recruitment, bringing employers and high-quality practitioners together in one community. Greater practitioner accountability, find the right candidate faster, and reducing your costs. Reversing the agency cycle at Hillingdon. The London Borough of Hillingdon was running its children's services with 80% agency staff and 20% permanent. We flipped the cycle to 80% permanent staff with a highly targeted outreach programme and wraparound permanent recruitment model. Our results in 2020. We reached 40,000 plus social workers through our social work news network. We placed social work professionals with 40 clients, £4.6 million plus saved by our clients, and 216 starts across our clients. Social Work Hub will connect you to the social work community, raising your profile to deliver more practitioners, greater accountability for quality, and realise savings that can be reinvested back into children's services. To find out more, please visit resourcestream.com.